Welcome to TechLipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add text in OBS Studio. So just follow me. At first, you need to go ahead and open up your OBS software. In here, you need to make sure a scene is created. Then under source, you need to add. Click on the add button. Then select text GDI plus. Just select this. And then just give any name to your text. It could be anything. Just give it a name and click on OK. After that, you need to put your text here. For example, I'm typing the channel name, TechLipper. And you can change the font from here. You can change the font to anything, whatever you like. And you can change everything from here. You can change how the text looks, what is the opacity of the text, what should be the background color of the text, what should be the color of the text. You can change everything from here. So I can change the color as well. Then I can change the background opacity as well. Then I can also change the text size. And after that, just click on OK. Then you can align your text to wherever you want and wherever you feel like it's perfect. And that's basically it. And that is how to add text in OBS Studio. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.